Hey everyone, this is Jeanette of Raven Rose 14, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and if you could hit that subscribe button, your support means the world to me. So today we are doing my other son's room. He's away at college now. He's coming back home this weekend, and it hasn't had a good mommy cleaning. Like, he does the basics, but it needs a good deep cleaning. So I'm gonna take care of that today before he gets home this weekend. And yeah, let's knock it out. Let's get started. So it's not too bad. As you can see, I have stuck some of my crap in here as well to clean out. I got sheets already in the washer going for him. Just needs everything dusted down and just vacuumed in here. And I am going to do his windows because I do need to take care of that while I'm in here. I can't get that one over there though because it's blocked by his bed. But at least I can get the ones that I can take care of and get his fan up there. All right. Little holes in the wall in his room that I just want to cover it with some spackle. I don't know if you guys have ever used this Dry Dex. It goes on pink, but then it dries up white. And because they are such small holes, I'm just going to use this little screwdriver here to just smooth it in and put it inside that hole and let it dry. And that way, at least it looks better for whenever we want to repaint this room. But it's going to be a while till he officially moves out because that's going to take a lot of work. All right, so yeah, that's just what I'm doing now. Alright, that's it. I got it, the windows done, and I got it all dusted on his dresser. And while I wait for the little pink spots to dry, and then I'll come back and sand them. But yep, that's it. We've got it all wrapped up. Now he's gonna come home to a nice clean room for the weekend. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.